Definitely. So whenever you are solving a problem, try to get to the first solution that comes to your mind. That's the brute force we use in DSA, right? It's same in real world. So if you are solving a problem, try to solve it top down. You have some idea, you grill it down, then you'll have something better inside, then you will boil it down to a better idea, and that's how things go.
Hi everyone, welcome to Techfluence Season 3, Day 2. We have with us Nishant Chahar, the young champ who has done a lot in his life. First, Nishant, please introduce yourself to the audience.
So, hi, I'm Nishant. I am currently working on a startup. I'm an ex-Microsoft software engineer. I have been creating content for the last 4 years. And yeah, that's pretty much about me.
That's a very, very decent introduction that you gave about yourself. Okay. How did your experience at Microsoft shape your approach to software development, and what key lessons can students take away from working at a top tech company?
So, like Microsoft, working at Microsoft changed a lot of things. Actually, how you approach a problem, how much user perspective is important. So, the most important thing that I've learned is user is the god. Like you can treat them as your god, and you have to create all the things keeping in perspective the user and not your final motive or thinking about this tech stack is better or this feature will be better. Think about the user's perspective. If they want something or they don't want something, if they're using the app, what will be the flow, how will they go about the whole journey, and then like talk to users. This will give you a good perspective. So if you're building anything which is user facing, B2C, then definitely talk to users. As many users you talk, you'll get much more perspective about the problem, and you'll be able to like deliver a better solution to them.
What advice would you give to students looking to build a successful career in software development, especially in terms of updated with the latest technology?
So don't be scared of technology. Like trends will come, trends will go, trends will change. One thing that you'll have to always keep is the problem solving mindset. DSA also teaches you the problem solving mindset. If you're building a product, it will also teach you the same thing. So the key factor is problem solving mindset. So always have that, and yeah, that is the most important thing. AI might come, AI will have other things. You might have to learn that. When you join a company, I joined Microsoft. I had zero idea about iOS development. I've never learned Swift. They gave me 1.5 months to ramp up, and then I got like different features and things. After 2 years, I shifted to another team. There was C sharp. I had to learn C sharp again. So it's all about learning new things and just be confident with the problem solving part. Practice that.
So, taking from what your answer is, a lot of time, everyone and we as mentors to students talk about problem solving, problem solving. One part is, you look at problem solving in DSA
Right.
programming, how they can make their thought process work in a problem solving approach in their day to day life. Can you put an example for that?
Definitely. So whenever you are solving a problem, try to get to the first solution that comes to your mind. That's the brute force we use in DSA, right? It's same in real world. So if you're solving a problem, try to solve it top down. You have some idea, you grill it down, then you'll have something better inside, then you will boil it down to a better idea, and that's how things go.
So, iterativeness of the process is
Exactly,
important.
right.
Good.
So no one can have the best idea or the best product at the first
At the
try.
first go. As a founder of Tayari, what challenges did you face in transitioning from a corporate role to an entrepreneurship role, and how can students prepare for such a transition?
So when you work at a company, you are given XYZ tasks. You have to complete them, and that's your job. But when you start your own company or start working on a product, then that's not the final job. You have to decide the requirements. You have to talk to the users. You have to hire teams at times. So all those things are like new to me, and they are quite tough to like learn. When you are taking an interview of someone, you have to figure out whether he or she will be the right fit in the team or not. And these things are something that are challenging as well as exciting.
Great. What are some of the effective strategies for students to grow their personal brand on platforms like YouTube, LinkedIn, based on your success in building a large following? How would you say
So
that
be
suits you?
authentic. One important thing is being authentic because you can't fake it for a long time. If you are creating content, if you are starting out and your plan is to do it for 4 years, 5 years, 6 years, because most of the creators that you see now who are at 5 million, 10 million have been doing it since 2013, 2014.
Yeah.
So it's been 10 years for them, 10 years journey. So it's a long journey. If you start faking it, then you can't like have that fake personality for a long time. Like the real you will come out one day or the other, and it will be very bad for you then. So always be authentic to the audience and try to provide more value. the more value you provide, the better chances are of you to like blow up on social media.
Success never comes overnight. Consistency is what it
Exactly,
matters.
exactly. It will take time, like 1 year, 2 year. People try it for a week, people try it for a month, and then they stop. I did YouTube without earning anything for a year. Like I was not getting the AdSense revenue, I was not getting any revenue. I just liked making videos, and I kept on it.
Now, how can students leverage social media blogs to not only share their knowledge but also learn and network their tech community?
So if you are learning a new technology and if you see there are not many resources related to that, you can just make a tutorial for it, and it will definitely help you, because as we have been listening from the like childhood, when you teach something to someone, you learn it better,
Better.
right? So it's always better to teach. So if you are making a tutorial, if you have learned a new concept, that will like imprint in your mind for a longer time. So if you want to do that, always like teach people, either it is on social media or it's your junior or it's your brother, anyone, everyone, you can try. And yeah, that is how it will help you out for
Great.
sure.
What skills do you believe are the most critical for new developers to focus in today's tech landscape, and how can students best acquire those skills?
It's number one is googling, and number two is perseverance. Like you will get a lot of errors when you are solving something. No one can write a perfect code at the first time, so you will run into errors. So don't be scared of the red errors that you see on the screen. You'll have to understand why they are coming, how they are coming, try to dig deep. So these are the two things, and googling is definitely very important. The googling word is changing to prompt engineering now. You have to
Yes.
give prompts to get the right code, but earlier it was googling. It was same, like write keywords, write
Yes.
paraphrasing, and then you can get the right answer. So these two skills are really important.
Great. Can you share insights on how students can effectively mentor or inspire others, even at an early stage in their career, based on your experience of mentoring new developers?
So people get inspired if they aspire you. Like they only get inspired if they aspire you. So first you have to achieve something good, then people will automatically get like inspired by you. So try to be the best version of yourself, learn new things, try multiple things, and once you have a good knowledge, then start sharing that knowledge with others. Then
And last, how was your experience with Techfluence Season 3? I help you
really
and Chalandar.
amazing, really amazing. The whole event was really good. The hospitality has been amazing, like last time as well. So yeah, thank you so much for inviting me.
Thank you for being here. We look forward to have a further connect with you in the future.
Definitely, sir.